All right, students. This is mathematics in the modern world. So we're already in week 4. So I apologize if this video is late for you because you know our signal here is just restored. Okay, so we will be talking about um, special products. All right. So for special products. Okay, so at the end of this lesson, you should be able to learn what is special products, identify the products of a monomial or binomial, then solve for sum and difference, factors, square of binomial, then analyze the product of binomials, a cube of binomials, and square of binomials. All right. So, okay. So special products, all right? So special products, the following are some of the products which occur frequently in mathematics. So and the students should become familiar with them as soon as possible. So proof of these results may be obtained by performing the multiplication. All right. So for special products, all right. So we will be talking about binomials, trinomials. Okay. So any algebraic expressions, no, we can encounter it. All right. So what is special products or product of a monomial and a binomial? So this is the formula. Okay. So as you can see that A times C plus D is equals to AC plus AD, right? So this is how it is gonna happen. Okay, so you have to multiply this A to C. Okay, you have to distribute. All right, so A to D. So that's why A times C is equals to AC. A times D, the answer is AD. All right. Okay, so yeah. So for product of product of the sum and the difference of two terms. All right. So products of the sum and difference of two terms. So this is we can use the FOIL method. Right. So what is FOIL method? Okay. We will multiply this using FOIL method, but the process is there would be cancellation. As you can see that the answer is a squared minus b squared. Okay. So when you multiply a times a, the answer is a squared. Okay, a squared. Okay, sorry for it's my bad writing. So a times negative b, that is negative ab. All right. So negative, okay, ab. Then, all right, so you have to distribute it first. First, FOIL method for first, inner, outer, and then um, last. All right. So next is b. B times A, that is positive AB. Okay, positive AB. And then B times negative B, that is negative B squared. All right, so don't forget the rule of um, sign, right? So if you multiply positive times positive, the answer is positive. Then positive times negative, the answer will always be negative. Then negative times negative, the answer will always be negative. Okay. So as you can see, a squared minus ab plus ab minus b squared. Okay. So you have to copy the a squared because you have to simplify this. Sorry, it's my bad writing. Okay. So a squared. Okay, a squared. Then AB plus negative AB plus AB. So this is cannot be. Okay, so we cancel this out. Not cannot be, but you have to cancel this. So A plus B or AB or negative AB plus AB, the answer is 0 or canceled out. Then you have to copy the AB. Okay, or B squared, not B, AB, but B squared. All right. So A squared minus B squared. As you can see, this is the answer, right? So this is how we can solve this one. Okay. So square of a binomial. Okay, what is the square of binomial? Okay. So square of binomial, it is the same thing when you distribute this one into 2. Okay? A plus B raised to the power of 2 can be also solved as A plus B times A plus B. All right? So when you solve this, okay, A times A, okay, so much better if we will distribute this first using fold method. Okay, so A plus B squared can be written as 8. Okay, much better if like this so that you can easily understand. Okay, A plus B. Okay, I'm sorry for my handwriting. It's my bad. Okay, so A plus B times A plus B. They are actually the same. Similar with subtraction. Okay, so A minus B squared is the same. Okay, so this is the way we can easily get the correct answer. All right, so A times A, so using the fold method. Okay, so let's change the color. So A times A, the answer is, okay, A, okay, A squared. All right, A times B, the answer is positive AB. Okay, positive AB. All right. Then B times A, that's positive AB. Okay, so I'll just put it here, but it's the same thing. Okay. Then B times B, that's B squared. Okay, B squared. Okay, now we have to add. Okay, so add it all together. So bring down the A squared. Okay, I change the color much better. It's green. So A squared. Okay, so A squared. Okay, AB plus AB, that is 2AB. Okay, 2AB. Then bring down the B squared. Okay, B squared. All right, so that is why the answer for this one is A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. As you can see, the answer here is correct. Okay, so here. All right. So the answer is correct. A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. Actually, this is just a review. I think you encountered this when you were in high school. So yeah. Okay. So it's the same computation with the second one. It's A minus B squared. Okay. So it's the same computation. All right. So the same process. So you can distribute this using, or you can distribute it and solve it in FOIL method, much better. So that's an easier one. But you can directly multiply this according to its rule, right? So you can multiply 8, okay, since this is power of 2. So A squared, A times A, that's A squared, B times B, that's B squared. And yeah, but much better if you distribute, much better. All right. Next is, okay, clear all my drawings. Okay. So next is product of two binomials. Okay, so what is products of two binomials? So products of two binomials, as you can see that there is also, it is the same way when we multiply using FOIL method. Okay, it's the same with distribution or distributing method. Okay, so the different here is the variable used is different, where A and B are real numbers. Okay, so here A and B are real numbers. All right, so X, so as you can see, it's distributed X plus A times X plus B. Okay, so X plus A times X plus B. So X times X, that's X squared. Right, so A times B. Okay, or you can just like okay, so you have to add the A B X. Okay, yeah, but it's the same thing as well. Okay, so A X times X, that's X squared. X times B, that's BX. Oh, it's positive. Okay, so X, all right, so A times X, that's AX. Okay, it's the same thing that AX plus BX. Okay, but here, no, okay, as you can see here, um, it is literally there is a plus b in the middle, but it's the same thing. Okay, so x times x, that's x squared. Okay, where to write this one? Okay, so here let's say for example x squared, x times b, that's positive xb. Okay, a times x, that's positive ax. Okay, positive ax. Then a times b, that's positive ab. Okay, sorry, it's my bad. Okay, ab. All right. So simplify, since as you can see, they are different variable b and a, so you cannot combine them. Instead, you can just cancel out the 1x by multiplying or by dividing it with x. Okay, so all you have to do is to distribute x squared, copy, plus, okay, so plus, you can just put anywhere, or yeah, depending on how you gonna know. So b and a, okay. So to remove this one, it's the same thing, no? AB, okay? A, okay? So AB, XB and AX cannot be added. It's because they have different variable. So B and A cannot become, or uh cannot be, or cannot become ABX, right? So all you have to do is to, so that you know, the it's the same thing if we write this like a plus b, then x. Okay, so I will explain this later. Okay, so they are the same. So actually it is written like this. Okay, it is written like this, but they are actually the same for this one. Why? It's because x squared. Okay, so as you can say, x squared plus xb plus ax plus ab. Now, when you multiply, as you can see that the x here is in outside the parenthesis. So meaning to say you have to distribute this x to the variable inside. So x times a, that's ax. X times b, that's bx or xb. Okay, so that is why a x squared plus a plus b times x plus ab, but actually they are the same with this one. Okay, all right, so yeah, I hope you understand. So if you are confused to this, much better if you leave a message in the comment section. Okay, so the same thing with this. No, all you have to do is to distribute using FOIL method. Okay, so as again, this one is the same with this one. Okay, so even if you write it like this, when you distribute the x to the variable inside, the answer will be the same to this one, x squared plus x or bx plus ax. Okay, plus ab. All right. Okay, I hope we are good. Okay, so next is cube of a binomial. Okay, so cube of a binomial, a plus b cube is equals to a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube. So how to solve this? All right. So when solving this one, it is the same thing when you use the FOIL method again. Okay. I'll try. I think I can move this up. Yeah. Okay. So when you solve this, you can just like write it as a, okay, a plus b. Oh, no. It's my bad. Okay. A, okay, a plus b. So when you multiply the a plus b times a plus b, the answer will be squared. All right. So a times a, that's a squared. Okay, a squared. A times b, that is positive AB. Okay, positive AB. B times A, that is positive AB. Okay, on the positive AB. B times B, that's B squared. All right? Okay, B squared. So when you combine this, the answer is, as you can see, I am just using the 2. But yeah, since this is 3, so after this one, we will multiply it again with A plus B. Okay? So I just only solving it step by step so that you can understand how to solve this one and how to come up with A cubed plus 3A squared B plus 3AB squared plus B cubed. All right? So as you can see, you can now bring down the A squared here. Okay, A squared. Then AB plus AB, that is positive 2AB. Okay, 2AB. Then bring down the B squared. Okay, so we have now the new product. No? Okay, so the new product here is A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. Okay, so we can write it here, I think. A squared plus 2AB. Okay, so 2AB plus B squared. Okay, plus B squared. Okay, now, so A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. Okay, so since we are just using here the 2, this is for squared, AB squared. Okay, since this is our given here is AB raised to the power of 3, so we still have to multiply this by 3. No, not 3, but another AB, so that it will be equivalent into AB raised to the power of 3. Okay, so we have to multiply it with AB. Okay, A plus B. All right. Now, A times A, that is A cube. Okay, A cube. Okay, so A times 2AB, that is 2 positive 2. Then A times A, that's A squared. Okay. A times B, that's, yeah, you just copy the B. Okay. Then B times A, that's AB. Yeah. A squared times B, no, that is A cube. No, no, no. Okay, so B times A, that is A squared B. Right? So this is, okay, so B, A squared B. So this is plus A, okay, okay, hold on. It's my bad. I'm really not good in writing using mouse. Okay, so A squared B. Okay, so B times 2, that's, okay, you just copy the 2. So plus 2, copy the A. Oh, it's my bad. Okay. B times B, that's B squared. It's really bad writing, my goodness. Okay, so B times B squared, that is B cube. Okay, B, okay, B cube. Now, we have to add, all right? So we have to add this like to what we did earlier with the 2 given. Okay, so A plus B raised to the power of 2. So we can now bring down this one. So this is A cube. Oh, it's my bad. All right, so A raised to the power of 3. Then 2A squared B. So since we have the same variable, so meaning to say that we can add this. All right. So 2A squared B plus a squared b, that is plus, okay, so that is 3 a squared, a squared b. Okay, so plus, just copy this one. Okay, plus 2 a b squared plus b cubed. Okay, b, all right, b cubed. Okay, so a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 2ab squared plus 3. As you can see, they have the same answer, right? So the same thing with the negative one. So the same computation, the same way of solving, the answer will always be like this. Okay, all right. So when we graph this, or when we plot this into the graph, it will result to multiplicity. Okay, so a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 2ab, 3ab squared. Hold on, 2ab squared, right? Hold on, ha. Okay. Oh yeah, it's 3ab squared. Not okay. Ah yes, it's 3ab squared, rather. Okay, so I see. So 2b squared. It's my bad. I missed this one. Yeah, that's why. So a times 2ab, so that's 2 squared. Okay, b. Then all right. So this one I missed. So a, oh my goodness. A, then b squared. Okay, b squared. Okay. So yeah. So as you can see that this is all right. So this is supposedly 3. Okay, I will erase this one. This is my bad. Okay. So right. Okay, this is 3. So ab squared. Okay, this is 3. All right. Okay, so our answer is a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. Okay, so this is our final answer. All right. So even if we solve the negative a minus b cubed, so the answer will always be the same like this. As long as you follow the steps, or yeah, the continuation of, the flow of computation, as long as you follow it. All right, so we're done with cube of binomial. So if you have question, please leave a message in the comment section. Now, um, let's move on to square of a trinomial. So square of trinomial, it's the same way when we solve the square of binomial, okay, or cube of a binomial. But yeah, we have to distribute the a plus b plus c twice. Okay, so solve this like, okay, hold on. So I'll try to solve this here. Anyway, okay, a, okay, plus b. Oh, it's my bad. I'm not good in writing here. Okay, so we can just solve it like in multiplication. So a plus b, or hold on. Let's try this one. Ah, yes, much better if we distribute. Okay, sorry. So a plus b. Okay. So actually the answer for this one is very, very long. But anyway, a plus b plus c multiplied by a plus b plus c. Okay. So they are actually the same, guys, but you have to distribute this into 2 so that you can easily solve it. All right. Okay. So a times a. So I'll use another color. Okay. Yeah. So A times A, that's A squared. Okay, A squared. A times B, that's AB. Okay, AB. All right. So A times C, that's AC, not air conditioner, but that is AC. Now, so we're done with A. So let's move to B. B times A, that's AB. So you have to align. Okay, so AB. B times B, that's what? B squared. Okay, so plus B squared. Later on, you have to arrange the like terms. B times C, that is BC. Okay. So now let's move to C. C times A, that's AC. Okay. C times B, that's BC. C times C, that is C squared. Okay, hold on. Yeah. C times C, that is C squared. Now, okay, hold on. Okay, so A, B, C. Okay, B times B, that's B squared. Okay. B times C, that's BC. C times, okay. I think we can combine now the like terms. Okay, anyway. So if this is quite confused, let's try another method. So A squared, let's bring down. Okay. So let's bring down then AB plus AB, that's 2AB. Okay, so 2AB. Okay. So now AC plus AC, that's 2AC. 2AC. Then bring down the B squared because there's no similar term. So B squared, BC times BC, that is 2BC. That is 2. Okay. So it's 2BC. So 2BC. Then copy the C squared. Okay, C squared here. All right. So we have here A squared plus 2AB plus 2AC plus B squared plus 2BC plus C squared. Okay. So we can now, okay, hold on. ABAC. Ah, yes. So we can now, okay. So I think this is lacking, right? So the C here is missing, C squared. So there must be C squared at the end. All right. So here we have to arrange this based on the according to its exponent. Okay, and also alphabetically, right? So A squared. So we have to write A squared here. Okay. There's no cancellation at all, right? So 2AB. So that's A squared plus B squared. A plus B squared plus C squared. Okay, plus 2AB. Okay, 2AB. Then 2BC plus 2AC rather. So 2AC plus 2BC. Okay, and then we have this final answer. Okay, so I think I missed to copy the C squared here, but yeah, C squared is actually there. It's because C times C, the answer is C squared. Okay, this is multiplication. Okay, so am I clear? Is it clear, everyone? So if you have question about this, then please leave a message in the comment section. Okay, so I think no, that's all. So all you have to do for this one is to distribute, no? Multiply it by itself. As you can see that there is a square outside the parenthesis, meaning to say you have to multiply those terms inside the parenthesis. Okay? Multiply it by itself. All right, so I think I'm good already. So if you have question, then please let me know. All right? So I think all right, so that's the end of our uh topic. Okay? So I hope it's clear. I hope all of you understand. And don't worry. So if you ask the copy of the PPT for this discussion, then I will provide you. Okay? So that's all for now and have a nice day. Babush.